Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials so you can trade immediately. First, make sure you meet prerequisites: level 5 or higher, open inventory slots, and at least 50 currency. These unlock basic trades. Once done, enable trading in settings and link your account if the game requires it. This prevents later barriers. Next, identify the exact target items, check rarity, equip limits, and whether the tradable flag is set, because knowing what the system accepts saves time and failed attempts. Now execute the acquisition using a deliberate sequence so you avoid scams. Buy from the in-game shop or redeem official codes first. If trading, choose verified traders and inspect their history. Offer the item clearly, set a fair price, and wait for the trade window to appear. Do not accept outside offers. Once the trade window shows both items, confirm only when you see the correct item and price. For high-value exchanges, above 1,000 currency, use escrow or an approved middleman to protect both parties. Finish by verifying the item is in your inventory and equipping it to confirm ownership. If it's missing, relog immediately and check pending trade status. Sometimes servers delay updates. Should a problem persist, capture screenshots and the transaction ID, then contact support. Provide timestamps and clear steps you took. If the platform offers rollback or dispute resolution, file within 24 to 48 hours. One key troubleshooting tip: never trade outside the official system. That voids protection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.